Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and today we're going to talk about a really great exchange and platform called WhiteBIT. And what's really exciting, they launched their new mining pools called WhitePools. In my opinion, everyone watching could really benefit from this feature and this utility on this exchange. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do your research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
As I mentioned, today we are talking about WhiteBIT and one of their new and really exciting features called WhitePools. But first, I just want to do a quick overview about WhiteBIT platform because they have lots of exciting things about it. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European centralized crypto exchanges, found in 2008. The exchange offers over 520 trading pairs and also 270 digital assets. The company is official partner of Ukrainian national football team and teams like Barcelona, so you can see how bullish it is. And the goal of this exchange is the mass implementation of blockchain technology worldwide. So you can see this platform is extremely bullish. They have really big partners, and of course it brings another layer of safety to the clients and to the users. And now let's move to the feature I want to talk about today. It's called WhitePools. You can see right here, it's new. As I mentioned, it's a new feature, and with all of these new features, if you're early, of course, you can benefit from it. Also, quick disclaimer, if you use my link in description, you will pay 0 commission fees. So if you plan to do the same thing I'm showing you, use my link, of course. This is going to be the best deal possible. So first of all, what is WhiteBIT mining pool? WhitePool aggregates computing power from miners worldwide, providing a cost-effective alternative to solo mining. With a user-friendly interface and support for the SHA-256, our pool ensures optimal resource allocation and income stability for professional crypto miners. Basically, if you're a miner, this is a really great option for you. But if you don't believe me, the numbers don't lie, because we have this news article. WhitePool by WhiteBIT hits top 15 mining pools at launch. So you can see people are also taking this project really serious, and they are using it. Right here, you can actually learn more about it. So the global cryptocurrency mining market is set for growth, and the market size expected to reach 2.5 billion by the year 2024. Again, right now it's 2024, and projected compound annual growth rate of 12%, almost 13% through 2032. So you can see this industry is growing really fast. And of course, if you heard crypto, of course you heard mining. So this is basically, I think, the best option right now for the miners to actually join these pools. And of course, we have some of the benefits and features and utilities and why you should actually use this platform. So first of all, functional and clear interface. This is really important because for the new miners, of course, everything looks really complex. And of course, WhiteBIT and WhitePools simplifies it with a really clean UI and really, I would say, beginner-friendly interface. Next up, rewards without additional fees. And of course, it's really important. Typically, users must reach a minimum of BTC amount, manually initiate fund transfers, and wait for the processing. And what makes WhitePools different? That the money automatically will be funded to your wallet in Bitcoins. Next up, FPPS reward model. So WhitePool operates on the FPPS, which stands full pay per share reward model. And this model ensures miners receive rewards for each share contributed, regardless of whether the pool finds a block. Next up, they have a really great VIP program for high power miners. So this makes it also really great for the high volume miners, for the professionals, not only beginners. So it makes it really all-inclusive ecosystem. And lastly, they offer professional multilingual support team available 24/7. Again, it's really important when we're talking about the hardware because stuff happens and you need support. So again, I think all these features are really great, really bullish. And again, it makes it really great for the beginners and also professionals. And if we jump in, for example, to the website hash rate index, you can see right here, we have Bitcoin mining pools comparison. You can see right here, WhitePool is also on the list. As I mentioned, this is new, but already leading platform for mining. So now let's jump in back to the WhiteBIT exchange to see how it all works. So again, you can see you can find this WhitePool right here with a web ecosystem. Again, it's new. You can have the dashboard and overview. And also, if you have some troubles or need some answers about how it all works, they also have a help center with really great questions and answers. You can find all the answers you need. And also, you can always leave your questions in the comments or also in our free Telegram group, the link in the description. So we kind of mentioned all of these things. So the fair rewards, free transactions, VIP program, and great support. Also, don't forget our link in the description for the 0 commissions. And next up, we can see actual calculator. So you can see right here, if you input the hash rate, for example, 6, you can see the daily rewards in Bitcoin. So they made it really easy to actually calculate what you will be earning. And also we have a history of mined blocks. So again, it's really easy to use. And we have the simple 4 steps to start working. So the first step, of course, the creating of the mining account. So to do that, actually, first of all, you have to sign up for the WhiteBIT. You can use my link in the description. Next up, you have to pass a simple KYC. So basically, just take a picture of documents, fill out the information, which is really easy to do. It takes like 5 minutes, even less. And also take pictures of your face, just to verify that you're a real person and you're not using this platform to do some criminal activity, which is, again, I think you're not. So after doing KYC, you can click right here, get started, and you can create mining account. So let's create some names. So Leco Crypto. I have read and create. And this is our dashboard. So right here, you can actually start connecting your miners. You can see on the dashboard, our workers, our hash rate. You can see the chart, of course, 5-minute, hourly, and daily. Next up, you can see our workers. So if you have miners, you can actually connect your miners. And again, it's really simple. You have all the information, all the instructions. So enter mining URL, miner configuration, and save and apply. As I mentioned, it's really easy. And again, if you have any questions, you can always ask their 24/7 support, which makes it, again, really unique and really bullish if you're just starting out. But if you're shy, again, they have all the instructions. I will leave all the links in the description. They have some of the examples. If you want to connect A6 miner, S9, you have all the instructions how to do it. Just find the IP, of course, and log it on to your dashboard. Next up, you have the rewards. So you can see how much you're making. But again, for that, first of all, you have to connect the miners and you can manage your accounts. As I mentioned, this is really, really, really easy. If you use my link in the description, you can pay 0 commission. And I think right now, this is the company that's taking over. As I mentioned, they're still new, but they're already climbing the leaderboard. And I think with these features and ease of use, I think they can become the leader. And as I mentioned, if you're new, they have all the instructions. So you can start right here on this platform, buy a miner, connect a miner with all these instructions and start mining. I think it's a really great all-in-one ecosystem. And as usual, guys, you can find all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram. It's in the description and the comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.